I'm Lisbeth from Lisbeth's Cursive Workshop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use my cursive fonts in Canva. A word of warning, this will only work if you have a Canva Pro or a Canva for Education account. This will not work with a free account because you can't upload fonts in a free account. So the challenge with my fonts is that the beginning and end of every letter is dynamic. It's not always the same, it changes depending on the context. To achieve that, the fonts use a feature called contextual alternates, and that works in Microsoft Word, but unfortunately it doesn't work in Canva. So in Canva, if you use the fonts as is, the letters will not connect and the letters will be incomplete. As a solution, I created a special web app to convert text to the correct sequence of connected glyphs. I originally created this web app for PowerPoint and I called it the PowerPoint Converter, but it also works for Canva. But first, let me show you how to upload the fonts to Canva. On the Canva home screen, you should have a brand button. If you don't have a brand button, you need to upgrade your account to a Pro or Education account, or if the account is part of a team, you'll need to talk to your team admin. When you click the brand button, you can open the brand kit, or you can create a new one. Inside the brand kit, click on Fonts, and then click on the link Manage Uploaded Fonts. Here you open the fonts you downloaded with your purchase, confirm, and let's do that again for the other font as well. Now that we have the fonts uploaded in Canva, let's start a new project to use these fonts in. Add a text box and use the button at the top to change the font of the text. Scroll down and select your uploaded font. Now let me make it a little bit larger, but you immediately see the problem. The letters are not connected and they are incomplete. Therefore, we need to use the web app. To go to the web app, open a new tab, go to Cursive Workshop, and then click on the PowerPoint Support tab. Type in your text, scroll down to see the result in cursive, and click on the Copy to Clipboard button. By the way, if you don't see connected text in the web app, if you see a bunch of boxes down here, that means you haven't installed the font in Windows yet. If that's the case, please watch my other video to learn how to install the font in Windows. After you click Copy to Clipboard, you go back to Canva, select the text, and press Ctrl-V to paste. Now, once you have this text in Canva, you can copy and rearrange the words, but you have to keep the words intact. You can't make any changes within the words. If you need new words, you have to go back to the web app and convert those words again. If you have to add a lot of text, you can also put the web app in a separate window and place the two windows side by side. I've shown you how to use my School Cursive fonts in Canva. You've seen that it's possible, but you've also seen that it is a lot more work than using the fonts in Microsoft Word. Before you purchase any of my fonts, please download the free demo font and test it in all the applications that you want to use the fonts in, because I can't predict every possible problem on every possible computer setup. You can find the links to my fonts and to the web app in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.